Group tests, methods of strategic thinking. Presented by Britta Wistrom from Jämtlands Gymnasium in Östersund, Sweden. Introduction. According to the learning pyramid, the preeminent way to learn is through participatory teaching methods that are group discussion, practice, and/or teaching others. The two most ineffective methods of learning that fall within the passive teaching methods include forms of lecturing and reading. While these are fine categorical structures, delineating our understanding of individual or person-based learning, little has been said about the meta and socio-cognitive methods of learning. This project seeks to demonstrate the benefits of such research in the pursuit of reducing homework while maximizing the learning process for individuals as well as the collective whole. This particular research is conducted with paper-based examinations to test students' ability to obtain, produce, and evaluate academic material. The project has objectives apart from just learning. It also presumes that every student has more development potential than they are aware of. Hence, with this method, you increase their perception of their true potential. The project has been carried out in an upper secondary school, Jämtlands Gymnasium Östersund, Sweden. Jämtlands Gymnasium has about 2,000 students, whereas almost study English. Less than half take modern languages as a chosen subject. But what are the objectives of this study? The objectives are to activate the students' consciousness of the Swedish basic value system by forcing the clever students to actively help the weaker ones. To give the students a tool to a more effective learning process by strategic thinking. To reduce homework while maximizing the learning process. To use teaching methods according to the learning pyramid. To organize language instruction into group projects. Methods. Examination in a three-step process using meta and socio-cognitive methods of learning conducted with paper-based examinations. The proposed result of this project is that students are able to ascertain and arrive at sufficient knowledge when they are examined in a three-step paper-based process. The first step is for the student to individually answer as many questions as possible. The second step is to form groups of 3 and orally discuss each question, thereby evaluating each possible answer. The final step is to engage the knowledge that was produced in the group and transcribe the oral material into their individual exams. Transforming. Knowledge is when you are able to express it in another way. Conclusions. Students attain a sufficient knowledge in a test by the help of using meta and socio-cognitive methods of learning. Students arrive at reducing homework. Weak students are more engaged. Teaching concludes research, thereby enhancement of quality. Also, fewer students fail to reach the goals of the course. For more information, look into Britta Wistrom's paper called Group Tests, Methods of Strategic Thinking. Thank you!